Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, security system, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know that you're going to be taken care of. 182-point inspections, 12-month, 12,000-mile limited warranties, and 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranties all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.